Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When the Mongols reverted to Islam, how did they start to rebuild the Islamic educational system?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When the Mongols became Muslims, how did they rebuild the Islamic education system? As you know, the Mongols, they were devastating the known empires at that time. They destroyed Eastern Christianity. Christianity was pretty big in Asia also at that time. They came and they destroyed that. They came and they destroyed the Muslim empires, and they built from the human skulls that they collected mountains from it. They burnt all the libraries, and they were on their way from Baghdad to go to the Vatican and to go to Mecca and Medina to destroy everything. And this is something you will understand that in Islam, we don't look at this devastation as something that is evil. Why is that? Allah is ultimately allowing it to happen. And we know through the study of our history, the whole nation has deviated. Because even that one, the Mongols, he said, whoever it was, Genghis, Kublai, Timur, he said, not Timur, he said, you must have done something very wrong to your Lord for him to send me as your punishment. And people of faith, they put their heads down and said, yes, you are right. Because there were so many things that the Muslims themselves that they were doing in that so-called golden age of Islam, that Western academics say this is the golden age of Islam in Baghdad, but there was a time of decadence, that they strayed away from spirituality, that they were dealing a lot with the black arts, money, pleasures, this and that. Yes, they were spreading Islam, people were worshipping like this or like that, but it's empty. So a smack came to that. But this is one of the miracles there, because the same people who destroyed Baghdad, that the books that they threw into the Euphrates turned the whole river black. Accumulated knowledge, not only from the Islamic world, but from east and west, north and south, that they collected. There's a house of wisdom that was in Baghdad, no? That one generation later, they became Muslims, again, through the hands of a saint, that they saw the saint and their hearts got attracted, and they understood the pure teachings of Islam, and they became Muslims. How did they re-establish Islamic education? They understood then the importance of spiritual people. Not only knowledgeable people, not only people with knowledge, but people who have the correct spirit. Spiritual leaders, the friends of Allah and the saints. So with that understanding, they're able to build great centers of learning that has a firm foundation. That foundation is not based on belief in this world, but a belief in the hereafter. So, if you look at what the Mongols did, the Ilkhanids, if you look at what the Turks did also after that with the Seljuks and the Ottomans, the advice is always give precedence to the people of learning, to the religious people, to the spiritual people. Listen to them, obey the laws of Allah, do not be a tyrant, take care of the oppressed, provide for the people, obey the people of high spirituality, the holy people, and try to establish justice in this world. Give the rights of the people. So when you have that properly, the religious system is there, the spiritual system is there, then the education system is not for its own sake. When all these things are completely not connected, they're not unified, then everything becomes its own deity. People start saying, no, I'm the best, no, I'm the best, I'm the only one, I'm the only one, I'm the only one, I'm a Lord, I'm a God, I'm a God. Then everything is pulling that way. What the poet says, the center cannot hold. And then there's going to be what? Anarchy all around the world. So this is my answer for today. Other than that, you can find everywhere else. Assalamu alaikum.